Hey guys, Beardicus here, the One Take Wonder. In this video, I'm going to be looking at unboxing the 8BitDo N30 arcade stick. This is a massive one. So, like I said, this is a one-take channel. I just make a video, one take, throw it up there, and that's what you get. So, nothing special. It's purely just me chatting with you about unboxing something. So, you get a little instruction manual inside there. Looks like that. Pretty cool. You also get, what do we got here? USB-A to USB-A, nicely wrapped, which is really cool. Then, actually I think that's pretty much it. Might close that box up. Give this a little bit more room on the table here. Got to present it nicely. Jeez. Okay, so this has some battery in it. That's cool. All right, so let's have a look there. We've got a toggle there for direct input and X input. It's really cool. You've got D-pad versus X and Y axis. You've got a turbo button, pair button, select button, and a start button. They've got little pieces of plastic over them to protect the buttons. And you got your normal button layout, R1, R2, L1, L2. That's pretty cool. So over on the back here, that's your USB port there. I would say that's where you would actually charge it as well, because there's not, yeah, that's the only port that it's got on here. You've got your little protector on the stick there as well, which is cool. And also the feet are rubberized and big as well, which is really nice. So yeah, that's I'm gonna just feel. Yeah, the joystick feels really nice. The buttons up the top are just standard buttons. Then you've got so for fighters and so forth, especially on the Raspberry Pi or even the Nintendo Switch, say Super Street Fighter or something like that, this would be fantastic for that sort of thing, especially considering that it is an all-in-one unit. It's Bluetooth as well. That's the other thing that I forgot to say. And it will work on a PC as well. I think, what are the platforms that it says? Nintendo Switch, Android, Windows, Mac OS, and obviously Steam, which is Mac OS and Windows anyway. So did it say Android? Yeah, it did. Android as well. So you can play emulation on an Android smartphone using this as Bluetooth. Just have it hooked up there in the front. It'd feel like you were playing on a mega small screen, but pretty cool nonetheless. Yeah, so anyway, this was the unboxing of the 8BitDo N30 arcade stick that is Bluetooth, is compatible with Windows, Mac, Android, Switch, and Raspberry Pi. So if you enjoyed it, make sure you like this video and share it on social media platforms. It really helps me. If you're enjoying this sort of content, especially the one take wonder aspect of it, where it's just me chatting with you about a product, then yeah, definitely subscribe to this channel. If you're interested in more professional content that I produce, then definitely check out the TechWizTime channel. That's my main channel, and that's pretty much where I do things that are more mainstream. This channel is just about getting the videos out there that are unboxings and so forth of things that I might get in. So yeah, anyway, thanks very much for watching this video, guys, and we'll talk to you next time.